In this video, I'll show you how to access USB in VirtualBox. So if you can't access USB that you connected on your VirtualBox, let me show you how to fix this problem. After you open the VirtualBox, now don't start the machine. Don't start the machine. Just go to the settings. After you go to settings like this, go to USB. Under the USB, so check on this option. By default, you'll be able to find this option is not checked, so check on it. After you check on it, by default, it will be in this first option. Scroll to down and select the last one, USB 3.0. So after you select this one, now click on this plus button. After you click on the plus button, so you'll be able now to see the USB that you connected. So make sure you connect the USB. If you connect the USB, so for me, I want to connect, I want to see my mobile phone. Here is it now, Samsung Android. So if you connect the USB, you'll be able to see the name of the USB in this option. Just add the USB. After you add the USB like this, now go to OK. So from there, now go and start your machine. So after you turn on the virtual machine, go and open your this PC. So after you open this PC, so here you'll be able to see your mobile phone that you connected. So you'll be able to see your USB that you enable in the virtual machine. And that's it. Hope this video helps. Be sure to like and subscribe. Here is my mobile phone.